In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an item on Vinted. If you've listed something and later decide it no longer belongs in your shop, removing it is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process on the website, explain what you'll see at each stage, and share a few helpful details so nothing catches you off guard. Start by opening your web browser and heading to vinted.com. Give the page a second to load and make sure you're signed into the account that has the listing you want to remove. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the main navigation bar across the top. Now, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It typically looks like a small avatar or a circle with your photo. Click that icon to open the account menu. This menu is where you'll find key account areas, including your profile and your listings. From that menu, click Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where your active listings are displayed. Here, scroll down to view your items. If you've listed a lot, the page may load more as you scroll, so just move at a steady pace until you see the one you're looking for. When you spot the item you want to remove, click it to open the listings detail page. This page shows the title, images, description, price, and other details. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct listing so you don't remove the wrong one by mistake. It's worth noting that deleting a listing is meant to be permanent, so be sure you really want it gone. On the items page, scroll down to the section where management options appear. Depending on recent interface updates, the control you need can be near the bottom of the page or tucked behind an additional menu such as More Options. Look for the Delete option, then click Delete. You may see a brief confirmation prompt to prevent accidental removal. That's normal and is there to safeguard your shop. After you proceed, the listing will be removed and will no longer appear among your active items. And that's all there is to it. Go to vinted.com. Open your profile from the top right, scroll through your listings, open the item, scroll again to the management area, and select Delete. If the listing was involved in an ongoing transaction, the platform may restrict removal until that's resolved, but otherwise the deletion should take effect promptly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Vinted shop tidy and up to date.